Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday. We have seen silver creating the record, hitting the record here towards 39.40. Yes, the decade high levels here in dollar terms, while gold has also scaled towards 34.40 levels, the first resistance here. What to expect today from gold and silver? Are we looking forward to this bull run to continue? How high it is going to take, or the highs are done, we should wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts consistently delivering higher highs, retracing towards 20 period, again delivering the highs, retracing towards 20 period. Very important for gold to trade below 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 34.15 levels here. Very important for gold to breach these levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 3400 levels possibly. Yes, it has to stay below 34.15 in order to confirm the bearishness here. Notice what's happening. There is a top here which is at around 34, and then the highs at 34.40. These two levels are very critical for gold to break. I have mentioned this in my weekly review as well, 34.40 and then 34.50. These two levels are very critical here. If it stays beyond 34.50, remember the targets are towards 34.75 and 3500 levels. But I can see a greater bit of a struggle here. Let's see if it tries to do that. Right now, I do not expect it to break beyond 34.40 here. Though what it is doing, after a rise, a retracement, after a rise, a retracement, and then a bounce back. But this time, this could possibly give you a break here on the downside. The moving averages are trading extremely bullish. See, despite all the bullishness, the stochastic has come towards an oversold zone. But when you see the MACD forming a double top, again crossing over, not a good sign for the bulls, because see, when you look at the move here, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace here. Retracing towards the bottom means possibly little bearishness will prevail. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here on the 2-hour chart. See, despite the moving averages remaining on the exponential side, rising exponentially here, there is a possibility of a retracement here. Now, here on the 2-hour charts, the 20 period sitting at around 34.08 levels. And that is why I say till 3400, extremely good support. Below 3380 is where you can say gold is reversing. Till 3380, it's not bearish. Stochastic has dropped here right from the overbought zone. The MACD hitting the highs, trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. The RSI just coming out of the overbought zone again, forming a double top here. Look at 3-hour. Now on the 3-hour charts, there is a reversal sign, one pullback, second pullback, and the third one is starting on a bullish note. There is a possibility of a dump here which can take it all the way towards 34. 14, 15, 3408 and 3400 levels. In fact, we can see it hitting further lows, but right now it is not showing such aggressive bearishness. If you connect the lows here, you can find out this is how it has been trading, and thus till towards 3400 it has got extremely strong support. When you see the stochastic, this is overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD is also trading bullish here. Wait for a crossover here in order to confirm reversal. The RSI staying overbought here. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here on the 4-hour chart. See, first this was the top here at 3400, it has retraced towards 3384, and then a stronger rise has appeared, single bullish candle. Now see, it has achieved higher highs, trying to show a pullback. It is possible if you connect the highs, if you connect the lows, it might try to hit the lows here. The lows here are towards 3400 levels, and that is why I say reversal confirmation today or bearish confirmation today in gold is only and only if it trades below 3380, 3374 levels here. As long as these two levels are respected, do not treat this as bearish. It is just a retracement. It can bounce back up again. If not today, then tomorrow. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to daily. Now, when you look at daily chart, see, this was the first highs, then the second highs at 34.50, and then this is the third highest closing here. Yes, it is the third highest closing on the daily basis, where it has moved towards 34.40 levels. Now look at the move here, rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs, trying to show pullback. It is very important for a complete reversal on the daily charts, on the weekly charts. It is very important for gold to now trade below 3340 levels. As and how it trades below 3340, then it might invite more bearish, and then we can look forward to 3300 and lower levels. But right now, these levels appears to be too far. It is trading at 3420 three levels now, and 3300 appears to be a dream as of now. But this is gold. If it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Now look at the formation here. The movement here is outside Bollinger Band, and hence it is getting difficult for gold to sustain this movement. That is why we can see a pullback here. What it can do, higher lows, higher highs. So there is a possibility that it can keep moving towards 3400, 3390, 3380. But yes, if it trades below 3380, there will be a pull on the downside, and then 3360 will be seen. See the stochastic getting overbought here. The MACD trading with divergence, consistently looking upwards. The RSI is at top. So considering this, now before I provide you the levels, it is very important for you to learn this art of trading. The current batch started day before yesterday, and the next batch is also announced. You can be part of my mentorship batch. Learn this art of trading and enjoy the profits for life. Connect with me. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. And now considering this, where you should buy. Now ideally, now the buying trade is only and only if gold trades above 34, 32, 34, 34 levels. If it stays above 34, 32, 34, 34, buy here, expect 34, 40, 42 first, 34, 50 the second. These two levels are very, very critical for gold to break beyond. And any move beyond 34.50, we are looking forward to a greater breakout journey towards 34.75, 3500 levels. I think it is going to be difficult for gold to deliver such a move today at least. Maybe in future, yes, but not today. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry at 34.18 levels, where you can take a sell and expect it to move towards 34.14, 34.12 as the first target zone, 34.0608 as the second, and then we can expect it to move all the way towards 33.96 and 33.90 levels. Below 33.90, ideally it has to move towards 33.80, and if 33.80 is taken, stay short. Stay short for 33.60, 33.40 levels. Appears difficult, but not impossible. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see the rise here, gap up, and then it has filled the gap, it has retraced towards 20 period. Very, very important for silver to now trade below 39.10, $39 zone, and 38.80, the second support zone here. Only and only if you see it is staying below 38.80, we can expect the bearishness to prevail. You can expect it to move towards 38.50, 38.40 as the next targets. But when you look at the complete move, rise, retracement, support here, rise, retracement, support here, trying to bounce back, it is still not showing any signs of bearishness here. And thus it is very, very important for silver to breach 39.10, $39 zone in order to confirm the bearishness today. The stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness here. The RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, support. Now see this support, how strong it has got at 38.80. This is very important now for silver. Once it trades below 39.10, 39, the next strongest support here is going to be 38.80, 38.70, only below which you can say now the bears are back. Also notice it is now moved towards higher highs here. But notice the highs, the retracement, and see this is a bit gradual rise compared to the drop here. This suggests it is a retracement, and possible reversal can be expected as well. The stochastic dropping, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. The RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour charts, look at 3 hour charts. See, this is the reversal sign. After the reversal sign, a bullish candle. So current candle might take it further down. It can move towards 39 or in fact 38.80. Let's wait for this to happen. And for this next few minutes are very, very crucial. And thus once you see it staying below 39.10, 39, stay short for 38.80, 38.70. Staying below 38.70, it's a correction which should begin in silver. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is still retracing. RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. Double top is done. A possible reversal cannot be denied from the current levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD retracing, trying to cross over, RSI overbought as well. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice it has formed slightly higher highs. There is a room for further rise, but when you look at the last two candles, you can see the bullishness got diminished. And yes, you can also notice it is given a breakout here from 38, 38, 20, and then we have seen a good rise. Now it is possible that it can deliver a complete reversal candle, but right now I can see still bullishness here in silver movement. So let's wait for today's move. Any move below 38.80, 38.70 should invite more bears, and then once it trades below 38.40, you can say we can look forward to a greater correction. The 20 period here is sitting at around 3780, which is the stronger support here. Stochastic overbought, the MACD rising here, the RSI is getting into overbought zone, slightly overbought zone. So considering this, now the buying entry in silver is above 3940 levels. Now remember, above 3940 you can buy here, expect 3962 and then 3985, $40 levels. 40 is the ideal target which I am looking at soon, but not today. That is my confirmation. Yes, today it might not move towards 40, but soon it might, as in how it trades beyond 3940, 3960 zone. You can expect $40 levels, the next target pretty much achievable. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 3910, expect 3885, 3870 as the first target zone, 3850, 3840 is the next, and then 3820, 38 will be there. Below 38 it's going to deliver a greater correction. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Watch that as well. Thank you.